Hello, my name is Jose Paulo B. Francisco of BSIT 3D. I am here to teach you a Packet Tracer skill integration challenge. First thing to do is open the Packet Tracer. Introduction. In this activity, you will demonstrate and reinforce your ability to configure switches and routers from inter-VLAN communication. Among the skills you will demonstrate are configuring VLANs, BTP, and trunking on switches. You will also administer STP on switches and configure a router on a stick using sub-interface. Task 1. Configure and verify basic device configuration. Step 1. Configure basic command. Configure the router and each switch with the following basic commands. Packet Tracer grades only the host names and default gateways. So we will only write the host name and the default gateway of the switch and router. Click the router. Click CLI, press enter, type EN, then config T, then host name, the name of the router, R1. Close it. Then click switch 1, CLI, EN, config T, then hostname S1 and the default gateway. The default gateway is 172.17.99.1. Press enter. Repeat this to S1, S2, and S3. Go to S2, CLI, press enter. EN, config T, hostname, S2, then IP default gateway, which is 172.17.99.1. Press enter. Then go to S3. Do the same like S2. Press enter. EN, config T, hostname, S3, IP default gateway, 172.17.99.1. Enter. OK. Step 2. Configure the management VLAN interface on S1, S2, and S3. Create and enable interface VLAN 99 on each switch. Use the addressing table for address configuration. Here is the table. Go to S1, type in VLAN 99, then IP add 172.17.99. .99.39. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Minimize S1. Go to S2. Type in VLAN 99, IP add 172.17.29.32. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Do the same with S3. Minimize it. Go to S3. In VLAN 99, IP add 72.17.29.33. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Minimize it. Step 3. Check result. Completion percentage should be 17%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. To see that the completion is 17%, so we do the right thing. Task 2. Configure BTP. Step 1. Configure the BTP mode on all 3 switches. Click S1 and type exit, then run as the BTP mode server and go to S2 type exit, then BTP mode client. Do the same with S3. Minimize it, click S3, click exit. BTP mode client. Enter. Minimize it. Step 2. Configure the BTP domain name on all 3 switches. Use CCNA as the BTP domain name. Click S1 again. Type BTP domain CCNA. Do the same thing with S2 and S3. BTP domain CCNA. Do the same with S3. Type BTP domain CCNA and minimize it. Step 3. Configure the BTP domain password on all 3 switches. Use Cisco as the BTP domain password. Now go to S1, write BTP password Cisco. Do the same with S2 and S3. BTP password Cisco. Do the same with S3. BTP password Cisco and minimize it. Step 4. Check result. Your completion percentage should be 28%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. I think this tracer have a problem because we configure all the BTP, but the percentage here is 28, but I know that it is 27. So we continue. Task 3. Configure trunking. Step 1. Configure trunking on S1, S2, and S3. Configure the appropriate interfaces in trunking mode and assign VLAN 99 as native VLAN. Go to S1 again. Type int FA01, then SW mode trunk, then SW trunk native VLAN 99. Do it again with int FA02. S3. S4. F5. We have now finished on S1. Go to S2. Type int FA01 SW mode trunk SW trunk native VLAN number. Do it with FA02, 3, and 4. close it, go to S3, do the same thing on S2. In FA0, in FA0, 1, SW mode trunk, SW trunk, native, VLAN, 29. Do the same thing with FA02, 3, and 4. We are now finished. Minimize it. Step 2. Check result. Your completion percentage should be 62%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. With regards to the information I told you a while ago, this path tracer have a problem because I know that 61% should be the percentage after configure the trunking. We are now proceed to task 4, configure VLAN. Step 1, create the VLANs on S1. Create and name the following VLANs on S1 only. BTP advertises the new VLANs to S1, S2. VLAN 10 faculty staff, VLAN 20 students, VLAN 30 guest default, VLAN 99 management and native. Go to S1, then enter, then exit, type VLAN 10, name, faculty /staff, then VLAN 20, name, students, then VLAN 30, name, guest default, then last one, VLAN 29, name, management and native. Minimize it. Skip step 2. Step 3, check result. The completion percentage should be 67%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. So you notice that our completion is 67%, so our configured VLANs are correct. We are now proceed to task 5, assign VLANs to ports. Step 1, assign VLANs to access ports on S2. Assign the PC access ports to VLANs. VLAN 10 to PC1 connected to FA011. Go to S2, then press enter, exit, type in FA011 SW mode access, SW access VLAN 10, then in FA018 SW mode access, SW access VLAN 20, then in FA06 SW mode access, SW access VLAN 30. Step 2, verify the VLAN implementation. Skip this one. Step 3, check result. Your completion percentage should be 75%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. You see that our completion is 75%. So our assigned VLAN ports are correct. Task 6, configure STP. Step 1. Ensure S1 is the root bridge. Set priorities to 4096. Minimize it. Go to S1. Type exit. Then type spanning tree. Spanning tree. Spanning tree. VLAN 1. Priority 4096. Then spanning 3 VLAN 1 VLAN 10 priority 4096. Then spanning 3 VLAN 20 priority 4096. Then spanning 3 VLAN 30 priority 4096. Then spanning 3 VLAN 99 priority 4096. Enter. Check result. For completion, percentage should be 82%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not completed. Oh, so I noticed again that the packet tracer is wrong again because it was 81%. I know. Task 7. Configure router on a steep inter-VLAN routing. Step 1. Configure the sub-interfaces. Configure the FA01 sub-interfaces on R1 using the information from the addressing table. So, close it, close it, close it. Go to router. Then, enter. Type en. Type config. Then, in FA01. Then, no shut down. Then in FA0 1.10 encapsulation dot 1 Q 10 IP add 172.17.10.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 int FA0 1.20 encapsulation dot 1Q 10 IP add 172.17.20.1 255.255.255.0 in FA0 slash 1.30 encapsulation dot 1Q 30 IP add 172.17.30.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 last one in FA0 1.99 encapsulation dot 1Q 99.98 IP add 72.17.99.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 then close it. The completion percentage should be 100%. If not, click check result to see which required components are not yet completed. You'll see that our completion is 100%, so may my so I am finished to teach you how a packet tracer skill integration challenge. Thank you. Good day. Bye.